we see that qualitative research was used in the frontline clip by the use of interviews. The focus group discussing the ability to break the code on the word luxury was an interactive group discussion. They were asked specific questions: how do you feel about luxury? What words would you use to describe luxury? And then the group leader planned to get an emotional response to the word luxury. The focus group moderator was able to draw out responses, ideas, and feelings through 3 separate sessions. He even led the participants through the exercise of resting to set them in a place he hoped would bring about responses held deep down. The questions were open-ended. There was general direction, but there was no way to determine the right or wrong answers. The focus group would have been dependent on the researcher and how he analyzed the data he collected. The secondary data could have been both external and internal. To break the code on what luxury is, there are plenty of accessible surveys, documented observations, statistics, and data collected to aid in the researcher's compiling. There would also be an opportunity to generate internal data with the focus group members or reaching to another segment of people. There are many different types of questions that might add to the data collection on this subject. The primary observation approach used was visible observation. There was the scene in the hall during the break that may have been recorded off the record. I also do not know if the observation continued during the rest time. It appears there were exercises, maybe even a written assignment, for the focus groups to work on, and it appears that these were also being observed at this time. I did think the question for the word association on white bread brought an interesting physical reaction to the face of the gentleman. He certainly gave a reaction to thinking about his emotions while eating white bread.